In this video, we're coming up to an intersection with a student and we've got an always stop sign facing us. So that means everyone here has a stop sign and it's first to stop, first to go. And unfortunately, we're going to be doing a little bit of a rolling stop here. And this is sometimes hard for students to pick up on initially when they're making this mistake. They feel that they've stopped, but in fact, they haven't completely lost all their momentum. And that's something the examiner will pick up on the road test very quickly. So we're coming up here. Notice we don't make a complete stop. We slow down, but we're still creeping forward, and then we make the turn. So this is particularly annoying when we're coming up to an always stop, because if there are four vehicles that approach the stop signs at the same time, so from every direction, and if everyone's rolling, it's hard to know who stopped first, because remember the rule is first to stop, first to go at an always stop. And so if we're not stopping, it's not very clear. So as you're approaching, you need to look at the tires of the other vehicles to see which ones have stopped. So we can see this tire is rolling. This vehicle here is fully stopped. See, their tire is no longer turning. So we know for sure that they stopped before us. And however, when we come up here, we're not actually making that complete stop. So when you look out your window, you should see that everything has completely come to a stop, and that will tell you that you're no longer rolling. So look at a stationary object like the stop sign and make sure that relative to it, your car is not rolling anymore.